Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. But today's video is going to be a little bit different, you guys. I want to share with you guys something that I bought myself. I treated myself. You're probably wondering, if you're in debt, why did you buy yourself something? One, respectfully, because I can. Two, because I feel like I've been working my butt off. I've been working super hard to pay off my debt, which my goal is to pay it off by August. And I feel like I'm doing a great job. And then another thing is, I feel like when I am super duper strict of not spending or doing anything like that, I've noticed that if I don't get myself something here and there, I go bananas. I splurge like crazy. And so I don't want to do that. I totally understand that, you know, you need to be strict and not spend money and stuff like that, especially when you're in debt. What's it called? And I feel like it's okay to treat yourself here and there. And yeah, I don't know, but I want to show you guys something that I got here. If you know me, the color is not gonna be a surprise for you guys. And it's a huge box. I don't know if you can tell. So this item here, I saw it when it launched on the website, and I'll be honest with you, oh my gosh, how do you even open this? I'm trying to see if there's something where you can just peel it off. Okay, I guess here. I saw it on the website, and this here, it's a re-love item. So basically they repurposed this bag. They created it. It's one of a kind. So I believe there's only one in the Coach like website every time when they do this. And so they re-signed it or redid it and made it unique. And I love unique stuff. I love different stuff. Like, I love being different. And yeah, and so I was like, oh my gosh, there was two bags that I wanted. And I asked my son, I'm like, hey, which one do you think suits me the best? And oh my gosh, I was so in shock. He knows me so well, guys. He'll be turning 8 this month. And he was like, Mom, this is so you. Like, you need to get this one. Are you guys ready? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. And I did put there a little note that this was like a gift. And so I wanted a gift wrapping. And you guys, look how it comes. It is so nice. You guys see this? How freaking cool. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh, you guys. I need to take a thumbnail. Oh my goodness. Okay. Bye-bye box. Oh my gosh, look. Here's the little cute note that I wrote to myself. And I requested a gift wrapping because I was giving this to me. I was gifting it to me. All right, let's take a cute thumbnail, shall we? 3, 2, 1, cheese. I am so excited, you guys. I hope camera focuses. You will hear my kids in the background. Don't mind that. All right, so here's the cute little like note or gift, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Hold on, let me double check. Okay, no, this is the receipt. Okay, so I guess this is just the receipt. I don't know, the invoice. Okay, here we go, guys. Are you guys ready? Oh, oh my goodness. Are you guys ready? All right, here we go. Oh my gosh. Aw, why'd I have to wrap it so hard? Okay, and me with my longer nails does not help. Oh my gosh, no. Let's see, can I pull it off? No, I cannot. Okay, I don't mind them wrapping it like with the bow, but sometimes, you guys, it is so hard to get it open because of the knot being so tight. Oh my goodness, you guys. I didn't think I was going to have this hard time on this. I'm trying to see if I can pull it off. I believe I can. Yes. Okay. I just pulled it off. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay. All right, guys. Here we go. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it's wrapped in the little tissue paper. Okay, I think it comes in a bag. So yes. Okay, so here is the gift. It's tiny. It's a very, very tiny bag. Here's the not certificate, the little gift card that I wrote something to myself. Yes, it says, keep up the good work from me to me. I love how they did that. They just did a little sticker. They're like, slap it in there. All right, here we go, guys. Are you guys ready? Oh my gosh, it is so tiny. It is so tiny. I mean, I already have one size of this, and I will share with you guys maybe. But okay, here we go, guys. So are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Another dust bag. Okay, so now here we go. Are you ready? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. You guys. I'm obsessed. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. I can't think of the name right now, but hold on, let me look it up real quick. This one is the it's the uncrafted pillow tabby shoulder bag size 18. So that's why it's so tiny. It's a size 18. I already have one, but you guys, when I saw it, I was like, this is so me. It took a whole day for me to really like think about it. I purchased it at nighttime, and I was so in shock that no one had bought it. Okay, so you open up like so, and it comes with the little handle here like this, and then it comes with the strap, so you can wear it like crossbody. And this right here, you can put it here and carry it by hand. And what I love about this, it has a little thing, it has a little saying. Hold on, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it says, bye bye butterfly. Look, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it says bye bye butterfly. And then I love the charm that they added here. It is just so cute. The little like luggage tag, you see that? It says Coach, and here's the other tag. And I love this like flower tag, and then they have a little Coach charm right here. I don't know if you can tell, but it is just so cute. So the color is just beautiful, my favorite color, you guys. And I just love the little butterfly. I think it is so cute, so spring, for summer perfectly. And yeah, you guys, I am so obsessed. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe it. It is so tiny. Let me show you. I actually have another one over here. Let me see. Let me pause, you guys, and let me get it because it's in the bag. Here's the other one. Hubby bought me this one, you guys, last year, and I still have not used it. It is the Coach Charlene Pillow Tabby, size 18 on this one. It is super cute. I love it. I'm ready to wear it for winter, but last year I didn't have the opportunity to do so. So yeah, look, it is the same size, and oh my goodness, I am so obsessed. I'm so happy I made the purchase and splurge on this cutie patootie, and I think I will always remember that I bought this for me working so hard on trying to pay off my debt. And yeah, I'm just so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'm so excited to share with you guys my little purchase, because you know, I am in this journey with you guys, and you guys are with me in this journey. So I want to bring you guys along as much as I can into like my personal life, or whatever, you know, I want to share with you guys. So yeah, so I thought I had to share this with you guys. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys, love ya.